If you own a pole barn, you probably know how difficult it is to keep the temperature comfortable throughout the year. In the summer, the metal walls and roof absorb heat, turning the building into what feels like an oven. During winter, that same metal quickly loses heat, making the space freezing cold. On top of that, condensation can form inside the building, creating moisture problems that lead to rust, mold, and damaged equipment. The good news is that there's a solution that outperforms traditional insulation in almost every category: spray foam insulation. So why is spray foam becoming the preferred choice for pole barns? Let's find out. Traditional insulation like fiberglass or blown-in cellulose was never designed specifically for post-frame construction. Pole barns have wide spacing between support posts, irregular wall cavities, and multiple gaps where outside air can enter. Fiberglass bats simply can't fill every space perfectly. Even worse, fiberglass allows air to move through it, meaning your heating and cooling system still loses a significant amount of energy. Over time, blown-in insulation can settle, leaving empty spaces near the top of the walls where heat easily escapes. And because pole barns are typically built with metal panels, condensation becomes another major concern. Moisture can soak traditional insulation, drastically reducing its effectiveness while increasing the risk of mold and corrosion. Spray foam works very differently. Instead of simply sitting inside the wall cavity, it expands immediately after being applied, filling every crack, corner, and irregular space. This creates a continuous layer of insulation while also sealing the building against unwanted air leaks. That combination makes one of the biggest differences in energy efficiency. In fact, many buildings lose between 25 and 40% of their heating and cooling energy through air leakage alone. By stopping those leaks, spray foam helps your HVAC system work less while maintaining a much more stable indoor temperature. There are two main types of spray foam. Open cell spray foam is lighter, expands more, and provides excellent air sealing while also helping reduce noise. It's usually the more affordable option and works well in moderate climates where maximum insulation isn't always necessary. Closed cell spray foam, on the other hand, offers a much higher R value per inch. It creates a rigid structure that not only insulates better but also strengthens the building itself. It also acts as a moisture barrier, making it an excellent choice for pole barns exposed to harsh weather or high humidity. Choosing between the two depends on your budget, climate, and how you plan to use the building. One of the biggest advantages of spray foam is its ability to prevent condensation. When warm, humid air comes into contact with cold metal surfaces, water droplets begin to form. Over time, that moisture can damage tools, machinery, vehicles, stored materials, and even the building structure itself. Because spray foam seals the air and insulates the metal surface, it dramatically reduces condensation, helping protect everything inside the building. Another important benefit is long-term performance. Traditional insulation can sag, compress, or become damaged by moisture over time. Spray foam maintains its shape and insulating properties for decades. That means your building continues performing efficiently without worrying about insulation settling or losing effectiveness. Of course, professional installation plays a huge role. Installing spray foam isn't simply spraying material onto a wall. Professionals carefully prepare every surface, protect windows and equipment, inspect moisture levels, and apply the foam in multiple controlled layers to ensure proper expansion and curing. This process creates a uniform insulation system that delivers consistent performance across the entire building. Many people hesitate because spray foam costs more upfront than fiberglass. And that's true. However, looking only at the installation price doesn't tell the full story. Spray foam significantly reduces heating and cooling costs, lowers maintenance expenses caused by moisture damage, improves comfort, and often increases the value of the property. For many pole barn owners, the investment pays for itself within several years through energy savings alone. Spray foam also creates opportunities that many owners never considered. A building that was once too hot or too cold can become a comfortable workshop. Storage areas become better protected from humidity. Agricultural equipment stays cleaner and drier. Even hobby spaces, home gyms, automotive garages, or small businesses become much more practical inside a properly insulated pole barn. Modern spray foam products have also become more environmentally friendly. Today's formulations use improved blowing agents with much lower environmental impact while delivering decades of energy savings. Because the insulation lasts for the lifetime of the building, it reduces waste and lowers overall energy consumption year after year. If you're planning to insulate a new pole barn or upgrade an existing one, working with an experienced spray foam contractor is essential. An expert can recommend the right foam type for your climate, your budget, and the way you use your building. Proper installation ensures you'll enjoy maximum energy efficiency, better moisture control, and long-lasting performance. At the end of the day, insulating a pole barn isn't just about staying warm in winter or cool in summer. It's about protecting your investment, lowering energy costs, extending the life of your building, and creating a space that's comfortable to use all year long. Spray foam insulation delivers all of those benefits in one solution, making it one of the smartest upgrades you can make for any pole barn. If you're ready to improve the comfort and efficiency of your pole barn, the team at EcoPolySeal is here to help. Visit our website to learn more about our professional spray foam insulation services, or contact us today for expert guidance on the best solution for your project.